kayo nagde-date? Ba't naman yung love life? Bilang may 4 akong dalang anak, talagang yung love life ko. My God!
We have the same trainer.
Oh, bongga si trainer.
Oo.
That's where you found love.
For me, definitely you're the only queen of my heart. I love you.
At kinikilig ka! Nagpa-blush ka ng bonggang-bongga. Ang cute! Good morning mga kapamilya! Isang bagong araw, bagong kwentuhan, bagong karanasan. Ako po si Chris Aquino and you're watching Chris TV. Good morning! In the audience, Slimmers World Miss Bikini Philippines candidates. Bongga! My God, siguro ano na, 2 months na silang hindi kumakain. Welcome to the show. When is the competition?
It will be held on a PICC Plenary Hall on April 27 at 7 p.m.
Wow, ilan ba kayong in competition?
28.
28. Ilan kayo nandito ngayon? 16 of you here now. So, obviously, iba-ibang types of bikini ang mga susuot nyo.
They have a ramp and swimwear. So, isang style lang sila ng swimwear.
Oo. Tayo nga kayo, tingnan natin ang mga katawan ninyo. Kung pang ano talaga, in fairness, talaga, ang papayat, bongga. Good luck to all of you. What's the prize?
We have 500,000 cash prize.
And will they be the model of similar swirl?
Yes.
So may contract din doon?
Yes po.
Oh, okay. Alam nyo, next, thank you. You can sit down na.